Today we are going to look at a property which is just 500 meters from Lingampally railway station. It's very close to Lingampally and the main road, Bombay Highway. Santa Maria International School is just 300 meters from here. There's a project called Candier on the main road on the other side of this plot, which is 50 floors high rise. This is in a very prime area. This is 106 square yards plot, and facing is like west and south. Both the sides 20 feet roads are available. Price is 1 lakh per square yard, which is the quoting price. It's negotiable. Check all the details from the link in the description. To get complete details of the property like documents, photos, contact details. Also subscribe our channel to get more videos updates like this.